puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls, them a come, them a want, them a take up. Batman me.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to wash curly wig. So this is a short curly wig and is a fringe wig. So I'm going to show you how to wash it. It's new. I haven't worn this before. It's actually for a customer. I just want to do the maintenance before shipping it. So I have water in this bowl right here. What you're going to do is to dip the hair into the water. Let me cut off this thread. You dip the hair into the water, and another thing I would like to tell you guys is that shampoo is not good for your hair extension. I know it's okay to wash it, like you have to wash it and all that, but most especially for curly hair, shampoo is really not good. It's going to strip out the moisture on the hair and it will cause it to dry, tangle, and even break. So what you want to do is to try and wash, deep condition the hair at least once every week. That is, if you wear it all the time, you have to deep condition it once every week. If you do that, I don't see any reason why your wig should be dirty and smelly, if that makes sense. You can even soak the hair in water for a while and allow the dirt to come out on its own. So what I'm going to be using today is going to be a deep conditioner and a derma brush, or any brush or comb of your choice. So just make sure that you're always holding the hair at the top. It is important that you hold it at the top when you're doing this so it doesn't tangle. So right now I'm going to squeeze out the water, and I'll throw the water away before I apply my deep conditioner. Make sure you squeeze out the water very well, like very well. You don't want the hair to be like extremely wet when you apply your deep conditioner, because you want the deep conditioner to stay on the hair. So you have to really press out the water. As you can see, it's no longer dripping, right? No. So you apply it like this. Always make sure you're holding it at the top of your wig or your bundles. You don't want to be holding it upside down, because that can make the hair to tangle.
Body nice. See, I got them here, them are moving right. See the girls, them I got me hypnotized. Them I make a bad man feel alright. Yeah. Man, I tell her when she go long.
Start from the tip. This is the tip of your head. You have to start from the bottom. So when you're brushing, you brush gradually, like from the bottom to the top. That is how to detangle hair. Don't go like this, no. You have to start from the bottom like this, and gradually you work your way to the top. That is how to detangle hair. Don't just go from top like this, no. If you do that, you're going to make a knot at the bottom, which will cause your wig to tangle, and you start struggling to detangle your wig. So always start from the bottom. You can see how easy this is, right? You can see how easy it is to detangle, because there are no knots and I have enough product on the hair. So this is how you put it back here into this plastic bag. You see, I put it back into the plastic bag. The minimum time I allow my deep conditioner to stay on my wig is at least an hour. Sometimes I leave it all through the night, but since it's the first time my customer is going to be wearing this wig, I'm just going to leave it for an hour. But if it's something that you wear all the time, I recommend you can leave it like 5 hours or all through the night if possible. So guys, I've already washed out the deep conditioner from the hair using cold water from my tap. So I also make sure to squeeze out the water I have on the hair. So the next thing I like to do is to spray a leave-in conditioner on the hair. Okay, so I spray a leave-in conditioner, or you can use any conditioner of your choice, but it has to be a leave-in conditioner, the one you leave on your hair. So I'm going to spray this on the hair.
Man, I give it to her one time, say she want it one time, want it for me, yeah. Man, I step in at the yard, many girls them say I.
And then I'll massage it into the hair as well.
She not bad man, they want to fail. Say she give me for me heart, say she give me for me thing so. Whine it for me girl, say she whine it for me thing so. Move your body for me thing and whine it for me thing so. Come they sing so, whine it for me thing so.
So you're going to take your brush or your comb and repeat the same method like you did before. You detangle the hair from the bottom to the top.
African style, we hit the dance like Bob Marley, we start.
So what you want to do is to brush the hair in the direction that you want to wear it, because this is a fringe wig. I'm making sure that this closure part is in place, like I'm brushing it in a way that my customer or myself will wear this wig.
I mean a bad man them want to feel. Say she give me for me heart, say she give me for me thing so. Whine it for me girl, say she whine it for me thing so. Move your body for me thing and whine it for me thing so. Come they sing so, whine it for me thing so. I ain't a bad man and they want to say I. She ain't a bad man, they want to fail. Better than you, me a spitfire. Nobody says we are on dire, we are on dire.
It's V-Kills.
Original Batman.
Standard.
You don't know. Batman. Yeah. He's body, baby. He's body.
So once you are satisfied with how the wig is looking, the next thing you want to do is to hang it somewhere to air dry. I do not recommend you using heat to dry your coily wigs, okay? Just allow it to air dry, most especially if you're not in a hurry. So it's better to do this when you're not in a hurry, basically. So yeah. So that's basically it for this video. This wig is available on my website. I'll leave the link in my description box below in case you guys are interested. So yeah, I'm going to be doing another video on how I bleach this wig to a brown color. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.
Give you all that more. Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one will be private show. Your friends they tell you say I be.